Good morning, children. In the last classes, we have learned about wings, feathers and beaks of birds. Yes, today we'll learn about claws, feet of birds. Claws and feet of birds. Let's learn today legs, toes and claws of birds. Birds will be having two legs. These are the two legs of birds, and most of the birds have four toes. Children, these are the two legs, and here you can see the toes. Most of the birds have four toes. Three toes they will be having in front and one toe at the back side. Okay, three toes in the front and one toe at the back side. Okay, and most of the birds have four claws, three claws at the front and one at the backward. One toe facing the backward and one claw facing the backward. Claws means, children, these are the nails of animals. The nails of animals are called as claws. Okay, birds have four claws, three at the front and one at the backward. One is facing at the backward. Claws means nails, children. Okay, four claws, three claws in the front and one is facing at the backward. Okay, different birds have different types of claws. The leg and feet of bird help the bird in catching the things, catching the animals, holding and eating the food. Holding the branches of trees, catching and holding the trees branches. They also help the bird in walking, swimming, climbing the trees and in perching. Perching means they help the bird to sit on the branches of trees. They can sit at the top of the tree also. Yes. Now let's study about different types of legs, claws and toes of bird and how these claws and feet of birds help the bird. Okay. Birds like sparrow, crow, they have independent and flexible toes. These birds have three toes in the front and one long toe which points backward. One toe at the backward and three toes at the front. And because of these toes, these birds can hold the branches very firmly or very tightly. Even if they sleep on the trees, birds do not fall because their toes firmly or tightly hold the branches of trees. And because of this, these are called as perchers. Perchers means these birds' claws and toes help the bird to hold the branches of the trees tightly. Okay. Now we'll see about climbers. Climbers birds like parrot and woodpecker have two toes pointing forward, means two toes at the front and they have two toes at the backward, facing the backward side. And these birds have sharp claws which help them to climb on the trees. Their toes and claws help them to climb up, down and sideways on the trees of trunks of trees. Okay, and these help the birds to cling on the bark of the trees also. So these birds are called as climbers. Now we'll see about swimmers. Swimmer birds like duck, these birds have webbed feet. Webbed feet means their skin joins the toes. They have skin in between the toes. Their skin is attached to their toes. Webbed feet means, children, their skin is attached to the toes. They have skin in between the toes. You can see in the picture, this is a webbed feet of swimmers. Okay, they have skin attached to their toes. And because of this, their toes look like paddles. And these paddles like toes help them to swim in the water. This type of toes help the bird to glide and sail on the water. When these birds are on the water, they look like as if they are floating. Yes, floating on the water. But inside the water, their paddle toes will be busy in paddling. Their toes will be paddling inside the water. They have large webbed feet to swim like champions. But when they walk on the land, they paddle. Paddle means they walk in short steps. Flesh-eating birds like vultures, owl and eagle, they have large and very sharp claws. They have very sharp claws and these claws are called as talons. The claws of these birds are called as talons, and these claws or talons are very sharp and hard, which help them to catch the animals and to kill the animals. These birds eat flesh of animals or other animals. Yes, these birds eat such as animals like mice, squirrel, and they eat fishes. Their talons help the birds to carry the small animals from one place to other place and to eat and to kill the animals. Now we'll see about waders. Waders means the birds like herons. They have long legs. They have long legs. Their legs are long and they have thin toes. They have long legs and thin toes. Their toes are long also and thin also. They have 3 toes at the front and 1 toe facing the backward. Their toes help them to have control over their body. It helps them to spread over their weight over a large surface area. They can walk and wade through the muddy land and water also. Wade means, children, they can walk with effort through the water and muddy land. These feet don't let them to sink into the soft mud. They help them to wade through the soft mud. Now we'll learn about scratchers. The scratchers like hen and roosters are called as scratchers. Okay, they have 3 toes in the front and 1 small toe at the backward. They have 3 toes in the front and 1 short hind toe which is at the backward. Their feet is very strong and they use their feet to scratch the ground. They use their claws and toes to scratch the ground and to dig out the seeds and insects from the ground. As soon as the egg hatches and the chicks come out, the mother bird scratches the ground and digs out the seeds and the chicks get the food easily. Okay, thank you.